Sqribble ebook creator reviewed. In this review, I'm going to be taking a closer look at Sqribble, a brand new cloud-based tool that allows you to create ebooks, reports, white papers or other digital books on the fly, quickly and easily. We'll cover what it does, who it's for, how much it costs, what the upsells are, and the pros and cons of this new tool, so you can make a more informed decision about purchasing it, and if it's right for you. What is Sqribble? Sqribble is a cloud-based ebook creator tool. It allows you to create professional-looking ebooks, based on templates inside the tool, with a few clicks, saving you a huge amount of time and money. Unlike other ebook creators, Sqribble immediately caught my attention because it has some really useful features I haven't seen anywhere else. Here's a few features that really blew me away. Automatic content. Yep, you can actually use Sqribble to fill your book with expert content, so you don't have to write a word. This is content from around the web, based on the URL you provide. You can pull content from any URL, paste it directly, extract from a Word doc or from their own library of niche articles. Total game changer. This is a huge time saver and a major plus for anyone who hates writing or doesn't have time to do it. Gorgeous e-covers. A lot of ebook tools might save time, but they turn out terrible e-covers for your books. Sqribble is different here. The covers are seriously impressive. They wouldn't look out of place on Kindle or Amazon, and they instantly look like you're a professional who commands trust and authority. Create flipbooks. This is one of my favorite things about Sqribble. You can turn your flat books into interactive flipbooks. This makes your digital book look and feel much more like a real book, with pages that turn, animated like a real book page turning, and make the book look like something you can reach out and grab. Why does this matter? It's about standing out and grabbing attention. Plus, it's a way to engage your readers better. If they enjoy the experience of reading your book, flipping the pages, they're more likely to get value from your content and keep reading until the end where your pitch or call to action is. Another thing about flipbooks is that you can embed them on your website with a simple piece of code that Sqribble provides once you publish your book. Awesome! What else can Sqribble do? Sqribble is a versatile tool, with tons more features I found useful. For example, here's what else Sqribble can do. Automatic table of contents. Automatic headers and footers. Automatic pagination. Drag and drop design. Add or delete pages. Add your own media. 300 plus Google fonts. 50 ebook templates, covering 15 different niches. 10 different ebook themes, one-click changes color scheme of book. Import content from a URL. Manually add content. And that's just the stuff I saw inside the dashboard. There's tons of features packed into this tool, making it one of the best ebook creators I've seen, but there is one slight negative point which I'll cover down below. Who is it for? Sqribble is most suited for freelancers, independent internet marketers, small marketing agencies and small business owners who want to create lead magnets, publish Kindle books, create and sell ebooks, or publish white papers. If you're also looking to create an additional income, you'll be pleased to know that also included is a commercial agency license to use Sqribble for client work, offering ebook creation services, with the ability to create unlimited ebooks which you can sell and keep all the profits. They also give you a ready-built agency website with pre-filled portfolio that you can upload to any domain for instant authority, so that you can show it off to any new potential clients to get work. Professional websites like this would cost you at least $600 alone, so it's really good value. Also included is an inbuilt client feedback tool to collaborate with clients on ebook projects more easily. I love this feature. What does it cost? Normally $197, but the special launch price is a one-time $47. Click the link in the description below to start earning.